The greatest content dies super fast when the delivery is flat, dull, and boring. Welcome back to Year 5, this weekly edition every Friday of the Japan Business Mastery Show. I'm your host, Dr. Greg Story, Dale Carnegie Franchise Owner Tokyo, Master Trainer, President of Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training, and best-selling author. We are bringing the show to you from our studio in the High Performance Center in Akasaka in Minato-ku, the business center of Tokyo. Now, this is episode number 265. Listening to speeches shouldn't feel like suffering. Before we get going, a quick word from our sponsor. If you want to become a fully competent and confident presenter, then do the High Impact Presentations course. We are all being judged when we speak, be it in the internal team meeting or in a public environment, be it the big bosses, clients, or an industry audience. Everyone is evaluating us. Don't blow it. Get the best training on the planet. Do the High Impact Presentations course now in either Japanese or English. Speaking in public means our personal and professional brands are on show. Let's make it a total success. Japan Presentations Mastery is the Bible for presenting in Japan. This is the most comprehensive collection of experience and insight on presenting that you will ever need. Don't work it out by trial and error. Buy Japan Presentations Mastery and learn how to be confident, clear, and persuasive. Buy Japan Presentations Mastery now. Welcome back. Okay, now it's time for the show. So let's get going. We've all been there. The speaker comes with a rockstar resume. Room is full. Topic is compelling. And then their voice kicks in. Flat, unchanging monotones. A verbal drone that sounds like your refrigerator humming in the background. That's the awesome power of the monotone. And not in a good way. It's a fast way to suck the life out of a talk and guarantee that people leave remembering absolutely nothing. In Japan, a monotone speaking style is common, shaped by the language's natural cadence. That's culturally understandable. But for foreign speakers, there's no excuse. When we deliver in a flat tone, we're not neutral, we're forgettable. Monotone speakers commit 3 deadly sins. No variation, no pauses, no emphasis. This is what creates that soul-destroying experience we've all suffered through. Let's talk about variety. Audiences need vocal shifts to stay engaged. Faster, slower, louder, softer. Modulation keeps us listening. Without it, the brain zones out. Then there's the pause. The pause is your friend. It gives the audience time to catch up, process, digest, and stay with you. Speakers who never stop talking bury every point under a growing mountain of oncoming noise. Lastly, emphasis. Every word shouldn't be equal. Keywords must be highlighted with vocal punch so we guide the audience to what matters. We're not asking for Broadway-level theatrics here, but we are demanding that speakers become more self-aware. Record yourself, listen back. Are you droning? Are you modulating? Are you interesting? If not, grab a mic and start fixing it. This is not optional. In today's attention-starved world, poor delivery kills your credibility, even when your content is absolute glittering gold. We don't want to be bored. We want energy, rhythm, dynamics. So let's fix the delivery. Let's use tone, pause, and voice emphasis. Keep people awake, engaged, and interested in what we have to say. Let's make sure no one ever feels like they need a pillow the next time we're behind a podium. I hope you enjoyed today's show, and so please subscribe on YouTube. Share it with your family, friends, and colleagues. Become a regular. Hit the little bell icon to receive update notifications. Our website details are on screen now, www.dale-carnegie.cojp. It's packed with value, so certainly check it out. We try to offer as much value as possible, so you might also enjoy our other shows. In fact, we are releasing content 6 days a week. For podcast, Mondays for the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show, Tuesday for the Presentations Japan series, and every second Tuesday for the Business Tatsujin no Oshie Show, Wednesdays for the Sales Japan series, Thursdays for the Leadership Japan series, and every second Thursday for the Business Pro Podcast Show, Fridays for the Japan Business Mastery Show, and Saturdays for Japan's top business interviews. Now you get these wherever you get your podcast. Also, every Monday we release the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show. Every second Thursday we release the Business Pro Television Show, and every Friday the Japan Business Mastery Show. Saturdays, every Saturday, we're releasing Japan's top business interviews. These are all on YouTube. We appreciate your support, and please let others know about it so they can benefit too. We want to make a contribution to helping people build their careers and businesses, and so please join with us in that endeavor. In episode 266, we are talking about more frequent performance reviews won't help if the boss is still clueless. Onegai itashimasu. Please join me next week to master business here, because that is what we all want, isn't it? Japan business mastery.